Today, we have exciting news straight from the Farnborough Airshow 2024. We're going to talk about the eVTOL aviation companies that are revolutionizing the future of air mobility. Get ready to discover the innovations that could change the way we move around cities and beyond. Among the highlights is Joby Aviation, which unveiled its newest prototype with greater range and autonomous flight technology. Joby continues to make rapid progress toward commercializing its air taxi services. With a capacity to carry 4 passengers, the aircraft promises fast and quiet journeys. The company also announced that it is in the final stages of testing to obtain FAA certification, a major step towards starting commercial operations in 2025. Another company that caught attention is Lilium, with its sleek 5-seater electric jet. Lilium's aircraft stands out with its fixed-wing design featuring 30 integrated electric engines, offering a combination of speed, efficiency, and safety. The company promises fast and quiet city-to-city travel, with a range of up to 175 kilometers and cruising speed of 248 kilometers per hour. Eve Air Mobility, a subsidiary of Embraer, also made a mark with its next-generation eVTOL. Eve is focused on developing an urban air mobility solution that is not only efficient but also accessible. Eve's aircraft promises a range of up to 100 kilometers. The company highlighted its modular approach to vertiports, allowing flexible and rapid deployment in various locations. Vertical Aerospace also made waves by presenting its VX4 eVTOL. With a capacity for 4 passengers and a pilot, the VX4 promises to be an efficient and eco-friendly solution for urban transportation. The aircraft has a range of up to 160 kilometers and can reach speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour. Last but certainly not least is Supernal, a Hyundai Group company entering the eVTOL market with full force. Supernal presented a futuristic prototype combining aerodynamic design with advanced technology. The company is focused on creating a complete urban air mobility ecosystem, which includes not only aircraft but also the necessary infrastructure to operate them efficiently and safely. The eVTOL revolution is just beginning, and it's exciting to see how these technologies are shaping the future of air mobility. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the future of air mobility. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to receive the latest news on technology and engineering. See you next time.